everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker TSLA or Tesla. So at the end of regular trading hours on Friday, they had a nice close above the 250 mark, which put them up 1.56% on the day. And then after hours trading or extended hours, they did tick down a little bit to close below that 250 mark. So here on the daily time frame, I have been covering Tesla and talking about a few key levels here on the chart, and one of them was down at this level here around 240. And I was kind of wondering what was going to happen down here if we bled down to this level, and we got a test of it. So right here on Wednesday, the sellers were able to push this thing down pretty good. It looks like in the mid 234s, but then buyers just bought it up and they closed the body of this candle almost exactly at that 240 mark. So, sellers really tested there, just not able to get a close below that level. And then we had a bullish engulf on Thursday, and then we had a gap up and a fairly indecisive candle here on Friday. So to the downside, definitely still looking at 240 as support right now. That is still in play. If this thing does start to dump again, I'll again be looking at the 240 mark to see if the sellers can blow the price through that. And then to the upside, still looking around this 258 to 260 mark that we challenged here in late August. You can see August 30th, August 31st, that was a previous resistance. So I'm still kind of looking at that right now. I think if the buyers can continue to move this thing higher in the short term, we can get a close above that 260 here on the daily. I think they can fill this gap here that we see back in early July. So kind of looking there to the upside. Then I was also looking at some of the news stories here and just looking at some of the estimates here for Q3 deliveries for Tesla. So it says company compiled consensus shared by Tesla puts deliveries at 455,000 units. So the Bloomberg compiled consensus of 457,000 units. So that's a future fund. Gary Black says the estimate here is more modest at 445,000. So a few different numbers coming in there, from Tesla, from Bloomberg, and then from Future Fund. It says we continue to expect investors to overlook any reasonable miss, which would be in the range from 445 to 455K, given the well-documented M3 Highland transition, which would likely cost 15 to 20,000, and then downtime for factory upgrades, which would likely cost 10,000. It also says on Friday, Piper Sandler analyst Alexander Potter lowered his estimate by 70,000 units, so pretty big decrease on that estimate to put it at 445,000, and expressed a similar opinion regarding stock reaction. As the United Auto Workers strike plays out, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk issued a stark warning. They want a 40% pay raise and a 32-hour work week. Sure way to drive GM, Ford, and Chrysler bankrupt in the fast lane, said Musk in a post. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker TSLA or Tesla. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.